absolutely no one likes bad gas. And no, not that kind. Scott Wagner is one of 13 state inspectors visiting gas stations all over Colorado, making sure the fuel you buy is up to snuff. He let the problem solvers tag along.
It's a matter of value.
Wagner tests gasoline, making sure it doesn't have water in it.
It takes very little water. I mean, if it contacts any water, that's the result you get.
He also collects random samples that are brought back to the state lab and handed over to Colorado's version of a mad scientist.
I'm just filling up my...
AKA Michael Charney.
This carburetor is more simple than anyone you ever saw in a car.
Samples from across the state arrive here every week.
We check the gasoline throughout the state of Colorado.
About 200 samples a month.
This robot picks up the vial, sets it into the tray. That is a mixture of ethanol and gasoline.
Everything from vapor pressure to ethanol content to octane levels are checked.
This is a distillation process. That's in every fuel sample I see. It eventually will get to a point where it just starts smoking.
Not all states have fuel testing programs. Charney says those states do see more problems.
They see product being sold that doesn't meet the specifications.
If there are problems here, well, Charney catches them. It's rare, he tells the problem solver. And it's usually the result of a mistake, not a gas station or a producer deliberately out to get you.
You can't make enough money to make it worth your while. If you get caught, you're going to be out of business.
A set of eyes, making sure Colorado consumers are getting what they pay for.
People depend on it.
In a science lab most Coloradans don't even know exists.